So this is the product Agri Germicidal. It's a brand new product and it's used specifically for agricultural vehicles. What we're going to do today is we're going to put it on this ATV. It's got germicidal properties in it, so it will kill germs. If you want to know specifically which ones it does, there's a frequently asked questions part just on the tab next to it where you can see all the different information. But what we're going to do is we're just going to go around the entire vehicle. We're going to rinse off the thick dirt to start with, so you can see under the arches there's loads of thick grime which can just come off with the pressure washer. And then what we're going to do is we're going to apply the product around the vehicle. We're going to leave it to dwell for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then we're going to rinse it off. And what it's going to do is it's going to take off nearly all the dirt, so it's nice and quick and easy to clean and get it looking nearly like brand new. So let's jump in. The first step, as this ATV is absolutely caked in dirt, is we're going to rinse it with the pressure washer, just with water to begin with. This isn't going to get everything off of it, so that's why we're going to use the Agri afterwards. But here on this farm, they've just got a Karcher Professional, so we're just going to jump right in and we're going to rinse it off. This door is normally not on this ATV, which is why it is clean. There is a door on the other side that is absolutely filthy, but we don't want to spray the entire cab with the pressure washer and cover it in water. So that's why they've put the door on. So this is how it looks after we've given it a quick rinse. So we've just used water here. The main purpose of this is just to get all the thick mud off of it, because this is absolutely caked. Obviously, if you're using a tractor, it might not be as muddy as this, and it might just be more surface dirt. But as you can see, there's still a load of dirt left on the vehicle. And what we're going to do with the Agri is it's just going to help lift all of that ingrained dirt out the surface and essentially just make it nearly completely clean. And it's obviously going to sterilise it at the same time. Because we're on somebody else's farm and we haven't got all the equipment that we'd normally have, we're going to put it in the IK multi and we're just going to spray it on the surface, leave it to dwell for a few minutes and then rinse it off. But you can do it through a chemical dosing tank if you've got it in an industrial pressure washer, or you can put it on a foaming lance and then just foam the entire vehicle, leave it for a little bit, 3 to 5 minutes, and then just rinse it off. So we're going to dilute this now and that, and then we're going to get started. So we got the product in the IK sprayer, we diluted it at 1 to 10. So for heavy soiling, we normally recommend 1 to 5 to 1 to 10, and then general dirt, you're just going to use it up to 1 to 20. So what we're going to do now, pump this up and just go around the whole vehicle, and we're just going to spray it on. All the little crevices, just so the chemical can do its magic and work on all that dirt. As we said previously, this is safe on absolutely everything. It's not going to affect any of the plastic or metals on the vehicles. It's also safe if you've got like sealants or anything, not that you would have potentially on your agriculture vehicles, but it is going to be safe, so there's nothing that's going to damage anything at all. So what you want to do is you just want to leave it to dwell. We've just gone around the whole entire ATV and applied it, so you don't want to let it dry, but you want to leave it for 3 to 5 minutes just to work, and it will help lift all the dirt off of the surface. And then yeah, we're just going to rinse it off. So, as you can see, we have gone around the vehicle, we've rinsed it off, we've applied the Agri and then, yeah, this is the finishing result. So this is a very quick clean. So we're not doing a full deep clean here, we're just doing a quick clean. We want to get most of the dirt off so it's just not left on the paintwork and left on the plastic, just eating into it. And yeah, so this is the finishing result. So it's got pretty much all the dirt off. Obviously there is some thick mud, which when it's wet and it's winter like it is now, it's quite hard to get that off. So a lot easier to do it when it's dry, because then you can just rinse it off with the pressure washer and then just go round with the actual product on the actual panels of the vehicle and then make them nice and clean like this. And that was how to use your Agri 101. Thank you for watching.